Hi mga kapatatas, Potato Rider here. Okay, alright. So yun nga, I told you that I'm gonna review the Suzuki oil at 1,000 kilometers, but I think I'm gonna review it for its first 103 kilometers. So bear with me guys, mga kapatatas. Yun nga, ang sabi ko nga, diba, last time, depende sa'yo kung ano ang ilalagay mong baby oil, ay ilalagay mong engine oil sa iyong motorsiklo. So kanya-kanyang preferences yan, and kanya-kanyang preference din kung ano yung distance na pagpapalit mo. Usually nagpapalit ang mga riders natin at 1,000 kilometers. So para sa akin medyo magasto kasi yun. So I'm looking for a good engine oil that could hold it down to 3,000 kilometers or 2,000 kilometers. Basta yun, nasa range na yun, yung 2,000 to 3,000. So ayun nga, sabi ko nga, reviewin natin tong Suzuki Oil 10w-40. Smooth naman siya, para kay Snoopy, not that magaspang sa takbo. As I was saying, hindi ko pa masasabi kung maire-recommend ako ba ang Suzuki Oil para sa Sniper 150. But as I was feeling a while ago, habang nagpapainit ako ng engine, may current problem ako sa battery ko. Hindi ko alam kung battery ang problema ko or yung sa may spark plug. But medyo mahirap kasi ni-start pag cold start si Snoopy. So trinay ko kanina. So easy start siya. And yun nga, I think that this oil might be good for Snoopy. But for now, I cannot recommend it to you guys because I still didn't reach the 500 kilometers nor the 1,000 kilometers that could tell me if it's advisable oil or not. But yung comparison naman ng Shell Advance, sabi naman ni Sir PH Motothread na at 500 kilometers nagde-deteriorate na yung work or kagandahan ng Shell Advance, yung AX7 ba. But ngayong time na to, or last na change oil niya, gumamit siya ng yung isa na oil, hirap nakalimutan ko yung pangalan. Pero sabi niya doon, mas mahal nga lang ng mga 200 pesos. Kasi 280 dito sa amin yung AX7, and yung naman, yung binagay niya is nasa around 480 I think. Ay, pambihira, daily grind na naman ang traffic ko. Usually kasi itong monumento na to, ma-traffic. So nakakainis lang. Siyempre yung dun sa may triangle, palabas at papasok from diversion road. So nagkaroon ng choke point, but I think they're doing bypass road from San Juan to Bawang. So malilesen na siguro tong traffic na to if inopen na nila yon. But I think they're just starting, kasi napapansin ko dun sa Bawang, pa lang, nagbabackhoe pa lang sila. So ayun nga, back to the topic, Suzuki oil. Sinasabi ko kanina, yung comparison. So hindi ko pa naman naabot yung 500 kilometers. So I think that I could not tell difference. But Snoopy is running smooth. I think the oil is good, but again, I'm not gonna recommend it for you to use still, because I can still say it's very good to use it to your regular change oil. Ay, dumi na naman yung white t-shirt ko. Kalsada nga naman, no? So I guess that's it. That's the pre-review. Pre-review. I guess, yeah, that's the pre-review of the Suzuki oil that is used on my Sniper 150. I hope that this oil is good. Siguro itatry ko ulit magpalit ako ng oil at 2,500 or 2,000 kilometer run. So pag naabot ko yun, tignan natin na. Kasi nung nagpalit ako ng AX7 sa 2,300 na distance ng odometer, medyo dark green na yung kulay nung oil, kaya feeling ko hindi na yun maganda. So yun nga, dream trucks, wala akong pambili. Anyways, yun nga. So yun lang po mga kapatatas ang aking masasabi para sa Suzuki oil. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang aking mga video, please click subscribe, and kung huwag nyo rin kakalimutang pindutin ang bell na button pang ma-update kayo sa tuwing mag-upload ako ng bagong video. Potato Rider, peace out!